Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Today we are talking about the ultimate farm-to-table experience right in your own backyard. Our shelves are officially stocked with the best vegetables for the spring season.
From crunchy greens to heat-loving peppers, we have everything arriving at all locations. But remember, desert gardening starts with the right soil.
The key to success is rich, organic, well-drained soil. Dr. Q's vegetable and herb planting mix is the perfect foundation whether you're planting in garden beds, decorative containers, or raised planters.
Let's start with the early birds. We have a large selection of leafy greens like romaine and Bibb lettuce. For a pop of color and incredible texture, look for rainbow Swiss chard and curled blue, dinosaur, and red kale varieties. They are as beautiful as they are healthy.
And don't forget the crunch. We've got snow peas, sugar snaps, and colorful beets, carrots, and radishes. These thrive in our weather and are perfect for teaching kids where their food comes from.
Now let's talk about the stars of the show. Tomatoes. We have over a dozen varieties, from the classic beefsteak to chocolate sprinkles to the sweet 100s and yellow pear.
Here's a tip when choosing your tomato plants. If you want a bushy plant that produces all its fruit at once, perfect for canning, look for determinant on the tag. But if you want a larger vining plant that produces all season long for your daily salads, look for indeterminate varieties. And if you're worried about the heat, look for a Heat Master or Heat Wave. They're bred to keep producing even when the temperatures climb.
Let's not forget about peppers. We have a heat scale for everyone, from mild mini bells to fiery sriracha, Tabasco, Ghost, and even the Trinidad scorpion pepper.
And for desserts, plant your cantaloupe, sugar baby watermelons, and sequoia strawberries. There is truly something for every palate right now.
Get your free Star Note number 205 at starnursery.com and join us next Saturday, February 28th for our annual tomato giveaway. Receive a free 4-inch early girl tomato with any purchase while supplies last.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.